Ladies and gentlemen, what you have been discussing throughout the day today has significant importance for defense and our security. And military considerations within the SESAR ATM Master Plan 24 framework are a must. This is already now my key takeaway. Thank you for the invitation to this very important event. I would like to extend special thanks to Andreas Boschen for the excellent cooperation between SESAR joint undertaking and the European Defence Agency under our Memorandum of Cooperation. From a defense standpoint, today's conference, including the launch of the European ATM Master Plan 24, holds timely importance. The ongoing war in Ukraine has shown to all of us the criticality of the air and aviation domain for the security of our territories and populations, as well as for international trade and travel. Therefore, today's launch of the new ATM Master Plan provides us with an excellent opportunity to adjust this plan to the new reality and to further develop synergies between civil and defense industries. Let me start here by presenting some of the key lessons observed from the war in Ukraine to be taken into consideration as regards the air domain. The primary lesson we have taken is that military operations might be carried out alongside civilian aviation in peacetime. Airspace is a shared resource, and it is our collective responsibility to optimize its use for our respective objectives. Second key lesson is the importance of the air domain in modern warfare. It would have been impossible to deliver all the European support to Ukraine should Russia had achieved air superiority in the area of operations, this means in Ukraine. The findings from Ukraine's war have also triggered a new strategic thinking on EU level and urged us to readjust our strategic posture. The European Defence Agency, alongside with the European External Action Service, the EU military staff, and the European Commission, have developed the so-called Strategic Reflection for Securing Free, Safe, and Secure European Airspace. This document may lead to a common EU policy for air security, addressing both civilian and military strategic goals and enhancing cooperation in a shared, contested, and congested airspace. This will undoubtedly impact the civilian side, including the European ATM. When it comes to the development of the new ATM Master Plan, it is of utmost importance to take this new strategic context in the airspace and the specificities linked to military needs and operational requirements into consideration. Let me highlight here 4 key aspects that are important for the military within SESAR and the ATM Master Plan. To begin with, the optimization of airspace use in a congested environment for next-generation fighters and unmanned systems, and we see already now a drone-centric warfare in Ukraine today. So use space, but also higher airspace operations and space launch and recovery should be considered, and I know it will be considered. Secondly, ensuring the confidentiality and data security for military air missions. Thirdly, enhancing the coordination between civilian and military authorities, especially regarding drones and new entrants to the airspace. So dual-use solutions should also be emphasized at the ATM Master Plan. And finally, development of resilient communication, navigation, surveillance capabilities, emphasizing interoperability without compromising security. The European ATM Master Plan 24 offers a great opportunity to further enhance civ-mil synergies and strengthen cooperation between civil and defense industries. This will also help to reinforce European defense capabilities and to strengthen the European defense technological and industrial base. The action plan on synergies between civil, military, and space industries already acknowledged that SESAR is a flagship project that enables cross-fertilization of these industries. We must therefore strengthen the link between SESAR, the SESAR program, and defense-related EU activities and tools, maximizing dual-use opportunities. For example, HEDI. HEDI, the Hub for European Defense Innovation, recently established within the European Defense Agency, in collaboration with the European Defense Innovation Scheme, promotes technology transfer between civil and defense aviation sectors. It is offering clear prospects for ATM, communications, navigation and surveillance, and drone technologies, amongst other domains. In addition to innovation, research and technology, environmental objectives are also a shared focus. The European Defense Agency is strongly involved in environmental projects, reducing the military carbon footprint and contributing to green defense. Particularly in aviation, we explore alternative energies, sustainable aviation fuels, monitoring of CO2 emissions, the flexible use of airspace contributing to reduce emissions, the use of simulation in training, and sustainable ground facilities like the net zero carbon emissions facilities in some air bases. So enhanced civil-military cooperation can foster the development of dual-use solutions, contributing to achieve these environmental objectives. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, let me once again emphasize that we are eager to further strengthen civil and military cooperation through the European ATM Master Plan 24 campaign, and EDA will serve as a main focal point to coordinate military inputs in the framework of the master plan objectives. And we will ensure the integration of security and defense needs. We are very much looking forward to further excellent cooperation with SESAR joint undertaking, with our shared objective to establish Europe as the most efficient and environmentally friendly and also secure sky. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much indeed.